doesn't need no opera. Here for the operation. We don't need bigger knife. Yeah.
What is up? Guys, check this out. This is Mark. This is a 2008 Ford F-250 LARIAT turbo diesel 6.4 liter V8. Badass truck. Check it out. Also lifted on a set of fuel Mavericks. Gorgeous ass wheels. Super nice. Let me take you a little bit what's going on. 1350 deuces 20. Time out. Sorry about the sandblasting. These guys are sandblasting, no bullshit. They're sandblasting a tractor trailer truck right now. Take a look. All that noise and gibberish going on right now, and these guys are sandblasting a friggin' tractor trailer truck during my precious video. WTF. What the beep? I need to have a commentator in here because obviously there's some people that are getting offended. Go to church, worship God, pray for no evil, all that kind of stuff. That's all good. I don't hate. I love God. I love Jesus, but I'm not Satan. You know, it's all good in the hood. I just, you know, I love trucks. I love cars. I love bikes. I love having a good time. I don't like watching my mouth in front of anybody. I cuss like a sailor. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. So everybody's got their flaws. You got skeletons in your closet. I have about 15 million in my closet. Not a big deal. So anyways, this is a 2008 Ford F-250 LARIAT 6.4 liter turbo diesel. Many people are kind of hesitant about the 6.4. Not so much this one. This one's fully built, and I'll tell you guys, this thing is fast as hell. Like, I'm not joking. The damn thing is built. Fully built truck. What else can I tell you about? It's got a rough country suspension lift on it. 22 by. That's right. 22. I want to make sure that I've looked at like so many different wheels and tire combos today for this Hummer that I'm building. You'll see it soon in the next couple videos. But these are 22 by 10 fuel Mavericks, all chrome, gorgeous wheel, no pitting, nothing like that. The truck is gorgeous inside and out. You guys are going to check it out. It's bad to the bone, guys. Badass. 20% window tint all the way around to match the rear and the factory and all that crap. It's got what else? It's got a whole bunch of goodies on. Let's go check it out. Oh, and also wanted to bring this up since I'm, you know, with the truck and it just happened right now. It says drain water separator. These trucks are common for that. You're supposed to do that. I mean, some people do it religiously, once a month, whatever. All you do is cut the truck off, turn the key in the on position, wait till the fuel pump runs and stops. It'll make a buzzing sound that stops. Go onto the driver's side, driver's side front tire. There's a little valve right there. Open the gas cap, drain it, let all the fluid out and all that shit, and go back at it. Prime your system a few times, and you'll be good to go. You're supposed to do it a few times a year. Some people do it once a month. Whatever you do it, how you do it, I don't care. You could probably have a better way of explaining it, so comment and ridicule me the way you want to do on how perfected you are at doing that procedure. I've done it many times, and I've had no problems with it. Just letting you guys insight know. Research your own ways of doing it. If you have questions or need help, holler at me. I'll consult Ford and some technicians and get back to you. No, just kidding. I will. I'll help you out. But anyways, let's go check out the truck. This is a monster. Friggin' truck is bad to the bone. I put brand new clear housing headlights on it. Brand new clear headlights on it. God damn it. Brand new fog lights on it. Truck is in immaculate shape. The friggin' paint is immaculate. Wheels are great. Undercarriage is amazing. Look how clean that is. You got dual steering stabilizer shocks over here. Underside is nice and clean. A little bit of service for us. Nothing crazy though. I'm gonna go under it for you guys. You can check this mofo out, baby. Look at that. Clean. We got clean. Look at this. Clean. No fat asses here, son. Husky all-weather floor mats. No sunroof. Gorgeous truck. 4-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, wherever you want to go. Wood grain, how you like me now? Underside's great. Brand new bed liner. Super, super nice. Got my cleaning rag in the back. Wash up any imperfections on the outside, undercarriage. Super nice. Look at the underside. Look at the floor. It's clean as hell. Money, baby. Money. Just got out of the detail shop a few hours ago. Look at my door jambs. Look at that. All right. Full exhaust. All right. Full 5-inch exhaust. Truck is just beast, guys. Truck is absolutely friggin' beast. Underside is clean as hell. You know, a little bit of dirt and stuff like that, but for the most part, she's clean. Frame solid. Beautiful truck. Backup camera. The what do you call it? Wheels are in great shape. Brand new tires on this sucker. A lot of meat on that. A lot of juice. Gas caps. I love gas caps because they hide a lot of BS. That's my coat right there. You guys can buy it from me for $1.99 right now. It's a freaking North Face, slightly used. Comes equipped with a Bodyguard 380 right here. So yeah, it's in that pocket. So free North Face $1.99, comes with a Bodyguard 380. You guys want it, holler at me. I can sell it to you for a great price, $1.99. Here's the truck. This cookie's got 100 and something miles on. Let me just show you what's up. $155,855 miles on it. And she's pretty, so that's it right there. If you guys have any questions, holler at me and I will text you any pictures or something like that, whatever you need. Driver's seat's in great shape. Everything's money on this sucker. Money. Door jambs are great. Look at that. Pretty, 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 pretty. So nice. VIN number, stickers, Jasper transmission in this truck. Look at that. It even tells the mileage when it was done at 130,445. Right there. Nice. I like it. Super nice truck, guys. You guys will love this one. She's beast. She is beast. So I'm gonna pop the hood, end this video. It's getting kind of long. Got some goodies under the hood too. So there we go. She's clean as a friggin' whistle. Super, super clean. Truck is money. For a list of all the details on this truck, you guys can check it out. Go on the website and you'll see down below. You can find the link to check out this truck. Holler at me if you have any questions, and I will talk to you on the flip side. Once again, this is Mark signing out. If you have any questions, holler at me. Peace out, West Side, rock on. Catch you on the flip side.